Hey guys, this is Tamisha with Toolbox Divas. So how many of you have empty walls that you wish you had something on them? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can create art at home for those empty walls. Alright, let's get dirty. So I'm so excited today to be working on this project in collaboration with Cathryn and Holt of Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. Today we're both showing ways in which you can create art at home. So when making wall art, particularly paintings, you don't have to actually spend a lot of money. You can use inexpensive paints, like these $1.99 paints that I found at the store, as well as basic materials from the Dollar Tree. So I'm using shaving cream from the Dollar Tree and a foam board as my canvas. So when using the shaving cream, you don't want to put too much shaving cream down on the foam. But what the shaving cream does, it allows you to move the paint in a more fluid manner. In fact, you can create a marbleized look with shaving cream and basic acrylic paint. So we're going to be creating an abstract piece. And when working with shaving cream and different colors, you want to work one color at a time. Otherwise, you end up with a gray mess. Now, when I'm painting, I normally just go with the flow. I turn on some music and I let the brush go where it goes. I let the painting speak to me in any manner. And actually, with abstract art, you can kind of do whatever you want. There are no rules. You have to allow the medium to speak to you. So I'm using some inexpensive brushes that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm reapplying the shaving cream that I had taken off of the board, because again, the shaving cream allows me to move the paint in a more fluid manner. And I'm the kind of painter that where I don't pick up the brush. I actually allow the brush to take on the colors of all the surrounding colors, and it's kind of like an abstract style that maybe it's a lazy style, I don't know, but I've always painted this way. And when applying the paint, don't be afraid to use the brush or even a spatula in a non-traditional manner. Splatter the paint, just let it talk and go wherever you want it to go. After allowing the paint to dry, it is time to frame it. Framing your art completes it and gives it a polished look. For the frame, I'm using some inexpensive hobby board from Home Depot, but it's made out of oak, so when stained, it gives off a really nice finish. But it's also very thin and easy to cut with a handsaw, and because it's so thin, it's super lightweight. So you can actually use hot glue to glue it directly to the foam board. Just make sure when you're gluing everything to the foam board that all the pieces are nice and even. To hang the painting, I just nailed a sawtooth hanger to the back. However, you can use double-sided tape for this because it's super lightweight. And I almost forgot to sign it. So don't forget to sign your piece. Now spray some poly on it to seal it and you are done. So I hope I was able to provide you with some inspiration to create your own abstract painting. So head over to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro for some more inspiration on art made at home.